I'll be briefing about the class that is going to happen today, and we are going to deliver it in terms of DT based cases. And what we're going to do is I'll be assigning a problem statement to every team. The team must use LLM like ChatGPT or a Grok to refer for 5 minutes of time. Then we will involve you in the discussion, and the students who are here have to nominate one student from the team and have to disseminate what are the stages of design thinking for the problem statement. All right. So I welcome the team A to disseminate what is the empathy of the problem statement.
A very good morning to all. So today we'll be discussing about the empathy stage of the problem statement. So the user usually miss their important deadlines for work, which makes them very much stressed and anxious. So the user feels really very frustrated because of this problem. They also feel that they need an automated system which can make their work easier and make them worry free. So N8N is an automation platform which can be used for this process and reduce the worries of the user.
I'm going to talk about the defense stage. In many teams, the team members miss their deadlines due to the mechanical entry of the tasks, which leads to stress of the not only the team members, also the team leads of the project managers. So this leads to overall team instability. So the team members of the team should need timely reminders and personalized one to remind their tasks and be on their time for their deadlines.
We are brainstorming possible solutions such as by sending some reminders from sheets like a simple email alerts, and by using chat tools like Telegrams and WhatsApp, and also AI personalized generated AIs and for based on the urgency.
Prototype in the Google Sheets, they are fetching data, names, and other assigned persons and emails. In a function and IF node, similar it is used to fetching name list and due date on the next 2 days. Email send personalized email to the using AI generated.
In the test stage, we can run the N8N workflow by assigning. We run the N8N workflow to a small group of members by assigning them tasks, seeing if checking the reminders are sent on time, and if the AI features are being useful, we can get feedback from that, seeing whether it help them achieving the deadlines and comparing with the previous performance. Based on this, we can also improve by changing the time or message so that the workflow will also be effective.
So finally, N8N is one specific tool to work for a workflow automation. So instead of doing a manual workforce, we'll be deputing the agent, and the agent will perform the work that what we do in the manual. So let's say in the empathy stage, the pain point of the customer is always the human always will forget the things when we do certain work, when we have a lot of loads. So what we will do is we will say forget, so sorry, we will do it again. In order to reduce the pain, so we are going to design the N8N workflow. In case of define, so define is a realistic one. The root cause is like when the human get burdened or when the human brain get tensed, automatically we will forget the things. So we wanted to make every times on the reminder. So define is the root cause, that is like the human will forget. On the ideate part, like we could have n number of notification like email, WhatsApp, Telegram, and anything could be added over that. And AI agent have to perform all those operations, because again when we manually fit, when we go and do all this alert and all, it's a waste of time. So here we are using the AI agent, and the agent will perform the entire work that we do. Instead of sending writing an email, agent will generate with the help of LLM, and they will be generating. In the prototype, yes, N8N have inbuilt nodes to drag and drop and also to connect an API. So once we connect, drag and drop and connect, and we check with that, automatically the email reminders will be working And the testing stage is all about getting a feedback about the workflow automation that we make. So we could give to certain company, we can give to certain professionals and check that how it is working and what improvement we need. So that's all. Thank you so much.